Pastor Mazorera, how are you?
Very right, Mike, how are you?
Ndinofara.
Yes.
Ko nai pastor, ndine mubvunzo wandinawo. Zvakatangira papi kuchengeta svondo seSabata?
All right. Ndiri kufungidzira kuti wabvunza nekuda kwezvatakadzidza mumashure kwataiprova kuti even Jesu Kristu, even the apostles vainamata on a Sabbath. Now let me just first do some refreshing. Tiverenge futi those verses. Tironde. Tichinatsa kunoti saka zvakazoipira papi, because so many people have been made to believe kuti immediately after Christ died, he blotted out the Sabbath.
Okay.
And hapana munhu akazochengeta Sabbath after the cross. But
all right.
Dakungoverenga, I think I'll read 2 or 3 verses. Then ndozokuratidza kuti Mwari akangati kudii nezvaizoya mumashure. Acts 17 verse 2 takaiverenga futi the other time. And Paul, as his manner was, went in unto them, and 3 Sabbath days reasoned with them out of the scriptures. Okay?
Yes.
Paul handiti toziva kuti Paul akatendeuka achienda kuDamascus kunosunga vanhu vakanga vachiri kutaura zvaKristu. Which means Paul became an apostle way after Christ had died.
All right.
But he was still observing the Sabbath. It was his manner, it was his custom.
Okay.
But I know no one will not, because Paul was a Jew, maybe he wanted to witness to the Jews, that's why he would go where they were. I know Achaga, on a Sabbath. But if you read Acts chapter 13, you know, he reasoned with them, both Jews and Greeks. And for 3 Sabbath days. Chapter 13, Majuda akati abuda musinagoge, Gentiles akasara akati, please come back the next Sabbath. Each. So even the Gentiles during Paul's time, they were also convocating, gathering on a Sabbath. Kaenda pana Acts chapter 18, verse 4. Acts 18 verse 4, and he reasoned in the synagogue every Sabbath and persuaded both the Jews and the Greeks. It was not only the Jews that he was meeting on a Sabbath, but even the Greeks, Gentiles, were also coming to church on a Sabbath. Okay? Matthew 24 verse 20. This one is very important. It is a crucial text. Matthew 24. The Jesus are signs of his coming and of the destruction of Jerusalem.
Right.
Verse 20. But pray that your flight may not be in winter or on the Sabbath day. Now this is crucial. Honest. Jesus Christ is foretelling the destruction of Jerusalem, which was coming in AD 70. AD 70. Saka arikuti pamuchatiza because anenge atanga taura kuti kana ari pamusoro pemba ngasaburuke kunotora zvekupfeka. Kana watongoona zvadai chibva wato uri kwauri ikoko chibva waenda kugomo. Ndatizai muende budai muguta budai. Saka ndikuda kuti vanhu vari kunzi tizai muri kwamuri ikoko musawane time kunotsvaga zvinodziya nini. Ndo saka ati chinamatai kuti pamuchazotiza murege kutiza uri musi weSabata. If really Christ knew that the Sabbath will no longer be binding after AD 31 paakafa, why then was he saying to the disciples, please in AD 70 make sure you pray that you will not break the Sabbath? Handwazvona ndijesu Kristu ndiye anotoziva zviri mberi. Ende ari kuziva kuti Jerusalem ichadestroyiwa AD 70. Iye ari kufa AD 31. Saka kana kufa kwaJesu Kristu kuchidzima Sabbath, why is he saying to the disciples, please pamuchatiza muna AD 70 make sure you will not break the Sabbath? Pray that your day of flight will not be on a Sabbath. Because there is munobva machikora chi Sabbath. Tani mamwe manzo Jesu Kristu said by AD 70 you still must be keeping the Sabbath. You still must be keeping the Sabbath. And ukazoenda kuna Revelation chapter 1 verse 10, John anbati, I was in the spirit on the Lord's day. That's AD 95. AD 95. John arikuti ndaiva mumweya pazuva rani? Rashi. That's John. Akanyora bhuku raRevelation. Ndaiva mumweya pazuva rashi. And so many people have been made to believe that the day of the Lord is Sunday. But there is no single verse in the Bible which says the day of the Lord is Sunday. Isaiah 58 verse 13. Let me read it. If you turn away your foot from the Sabbath, from doing your pleasure on my holy day. And John wrote, I was in the spirit on the Lord's day. Not it's Sunday, but Bible the Sabbath. So AD 95, we know the disciple who was most loved by Jesus Christ was still observing the Lord's day, the Sabbath. Which one is the Lord's day? Isaiah is the Sabbath. And was on. Saka wakuchibvunza manje saka zvakatangira papi chiona manje Daniel 7 verse 25. Daniel iri kudila nema end time events zviitiko zvemazuva ekudii ekupedzisira. Verse 25. anobva ati he shall speak great words against the most high. He shall wear out the saints of the most high. He shall think to change the time and the law, and they shall be given into his hand until a times and the dividing of a time. Means kuchatouya munhu mazuva ekupedzisira hanzi achafunga kushandura nguva dzakaiswa naMwari nemutemo waMwari. Saka zviita vanhu Michael, zvekushandura saba zviita vanhu, hazvina pazvinotaurwa naMwari. Enda kuna 2 Thessalonians chapter 2 verse 3 and 4 and listen to what Paul says. Verse 3, let no man deceive you by any means, for that day will not come except they come a falling away first. Jesu hauyi kusvikira kurashika kwatanga kuuya. And the man of sin is revealed, the son of perdition, who opposes and exalts himself above everything that is called God or that is worshipped, so that he as God sits in the temple of God, showing himself that he is God. Ndiye ari kutaurwa naDaniel 7, the same person. Anoopposa zvese zvakataurwa naMwari. Mwari paakati Sabbath iye anoti Sunday. Mwari paakati mutemo iye anoti hamuna basa. Asi anenge achiopposa. Saka Jesu Kristu hauyi kusvikira munhu yazikanwa. Saka zvakaitwa nevanhu. Ndokusaka uchiona pese panotaurwa the history yeSunday worship. Vanoedza kudefenda Sunday worship. Madate avanotanga kutaura it's above AD 70. Vanotanga kutaura kuti muna AD 70 they did decay yaiti zvakati history. Otherwise before that havana kana evidence ye any apostle who was worshipping on Sunday. Havana evidence. Paul was worshipping on a Sabbath. But zvicha Bible riri kupredicta kuti kuchauya achashandura. Because iye basa rake kupikisana nezvese zvinonzi Mwari nekuopposa zvese zvakataurwa naMwari. And unfortunately the entire Christian world is followed after that man and people are being misled.
Yes, Pastor. Yes. That was a very, very powerful message. Toda kutenda Mwari. Mwari aramba achikukombererai.
Thank you very much.
Also vateereri vabatsirikana nemessage yatapiwa naPastor Madzorera. Thank you very much.
Thank you. You're welcome.